Fried fish or recipe. 1 pound fresh fish fillets, such as tilapia or cod. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 cup all-purpose flour or chickpea flour. For a gluten-free option, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust for spice. Preference: vegetable oil for frying. In a bowl, combine lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. Pat the fish fillets dry with paper towels, and then coat them with the marinade. Allow the fish to marinate for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. In a shallow dish, mix the flour with paprika and cayenne pepper and adjust the seasoning to taste. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Dredge each marinated fish fillet in the seasoned flour mixture, ensuring an even coating. Carefully place the coated fish fillets into the hot oil, a few at a time to avoid overcrowding, and fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove the fried fish and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb excess oil. Serve the fried fish hot with your favorite dipping sauce, such as tartar sauce or a squeeze of lemon. This homemade fried fish is not only flavorful and crispy, but also allows you to control the ingredients for a delicious and satisfying meal. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comments section.